Hey, we're Sam and Dasha, digital nomads living in Bali, Indonesia and working online. In our last video, we flew from Bali to Jakarta and checked into our Airbnb for our 10-day stay. You guys gave us some amazing recommendations, so in today's video, we're trying the local food, including a famous dumpling restaurant and the street food next to the Grand Indonesia Mall. If you like our Jakarta videos, please consider subscribing for more. Thank you. Good day.
Yeah, it's like Chinatown.
Yeah.
Where's every place?
Hello. Santong? Hey, Santong.
Santong, welcome Santong.
Thank you. Yay! Wow. Okay, so this is what we want. 10 pieces. 10 pieces, 60,000. And check that out.
Okay, but let's make another. Do you want this? Go on.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
different, right?
Yeah, different. Yeah. Some of the other selection.
Takoyaki is also interesting. Nasi campur, chap-chap.
Okay, let's make a decision. All right. Go ahead.
Can you try to spicy or not?
It's a bit spicy, but it's a bit tomatoey as well.
Oh my god, so good.
So good. It's so nice. I love them. Love them already. Okay, I wouldn't coat it completely, but too late. Here we go. Wow. It's great. And here we have some wonton soup as well. It's gonna be really hot. It's gonna be too hot to eat. I'm gonna try. I love it. This soup is only 40K and it's full of wontons. Rating out of 10?
12. No, really, very much. Very, very delicious. And very, very affordable.
When did this restaurant come into being?
Well, they founded it in 1968, guys, so this is more than 50 years now. That's insane.
Sir, what's your name?
Bianco.
Nice to meet you. I'm Sam.
Yes.
Yeah, is this your place?
Yes.
Your restaurant? Yeah. It's very nice. Very nice. How long have you been doing this, working here?
Maybe until 45 plus years.
45 years.
Because the first, my father.
Your father?
Yes.
Okay, so you're his son, and does your son also
Yeah.
work here?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Where's your son?
My son?
Yeah.
My son or in any other grade.
Oh, wow, you have another one?
Yes.
Wow.
In Gadin Serpong.
Cool. Yeah, we were told by our friend to come here, and no regrets. Very happy. Very happy. Thank you. Thank you.
So now why we came here.
Well, we didn't even say where we are. We just went shopping at the biggest mall. I think the biggest mall in Jakarta. It has to be. It's this.
In Indonesia, I think.
The Grand Indonesia. Yeah. I mean.
I bought a new hat.
New hat. I bought some new shoes and new jeans. Okay. The real reason we're here is
Food.
food. We love our street food, and we're about to show you what is on offer right outside of this mall. And it's just over here to the right. I can already smell this food. Oh, are you prepared for this?
I am.
Okay, masks on. Let's be prepared. We're in Indonesia and you want a kebab. Let's keep looking. There's so much.
Satay, chicken satay. This is Russian movie. This is Russian.
It's a Russian movie. That's funny. How will we ever choose?
Yeah.
There's
It's
so
quieter,
much.
It's quieter here and there is space to sit, so it's, I think it's
So that means it won't be tasty.
no. Oh, bananas.
You want a banana?
Yeah, maybe later, like once after we finish.
Yeah.
Sweet goes after, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Watch out, cars. We're just sharing the space with these cars. They just pass right by you. Don't even give a crap. There's so much to pick from here, and I have no idea how we're gonna choose.
It's time to choose something.
We've done almost a full circle. Now we're gonna go back around and actually pick something. I think I feel like something with noodles, but I haven't seen a lot of noodle dishes. So the kebabs look good, and I might just try to find some
Satay also, like satay.
satay, some meat on a stick. Yeah. Yeah.
Loro.
Dua.
Dua.
Loro.
Loro.
Apa maning?
Dua,
Iya.
tiga, dua.
Loro.
Loro. Oh, okay, loro.
Apa be?
Okay. Yeah. That's all. That's all.
Yeah,
Yeah. That's all.
Chili.
No chili.
Oh, no, thank you.
How much? That one. No, it's okay.
Okay, baby. That's enough.
Biar pas.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, makasih.
No.
It's okay, yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Let's try.
Yeah.
I actually have no idea what this is. It's some kind of fried vegetable fritter or something.
Good? It's like corn fritters?
Yeah, with some more veggies.
Let me try some.
It's good, right?
Hmm.
I love these things.
Simple but good.
I didn't know exactly what it was, but I had a suspicion, and it is exactly what I like. What have we ordered?
I don't know. No, I'm faking. We ordered a drink called Taro. It has purple color and very delicious and sweet. And Sam ordered caramel, which is like caramel drink. We'll see.
Yeah. So he's gonna make up our drinks for us before we get our food.
Si, gue masuk YouTube nih si. Oh, gue masuk YouTube nih. Majalah Bobo.
This was my story from Jakarta. That's how we were driving to China. How much?
was that?
25 in total.
25. Not bad.
25.
Arigato.
But, yeah. I can see. Now we're getting your kebab. So, Dasha will order her kebab here, and it's only somewhere between
10 and 16, depending on
16.
the size.
Yeah.
But as far as you know, guys, size doesn't matter.
What? Jangan merem.
Yeah, yeah. No spicy.
Oke, jangan pedas.
Cabai rawit.
Originally from Canada.
Oh, Canada.
Yeah. We stay in Bali.
Oh, Bali.
Yeah, for 1 year.
You come to Jakarta for holiday.
Yeah, yeah.
Yang jauh Ki, rusak pemandangan.
This land is takoyaki from Jakarta.
Yeah?
Not from Jepang.
Brilliant.
Thailand asli.
So I like to hear. Okay, okay.
Little spicy ya.
Yeah, we can see.
Smile kalau lagi di record.
Jak.
Thank you.
I can see. I can see. So this is the hole.
they use, but it's so tasty.
Tasty. Yeah. That was the right call. I'm gonna try this one. Put it over.
It smells nice.
Whoa, they're like sticky, doughy. Whoa. It's like a soft, doughy corn fritter batter, but it's like just cooked.
It's vegetarian.
No, it's got some little sausage meat in there. But man, oh wow, that's tasty. Should have got more. Cheers. All right, let's see if I can go through the prices. This was 5K. These are 25K. These were 5K. This was 20K minus 2. So what does that bring us up to then? Quick maths. 55 so far. Actually 53. 53,000 is like $3.50 or something. Yeah, really good. These are deep fried spring rolls with glass noodle inside. Good. Very unhealthy, but good. Any guesses what this is?
Egg. I guess it's egg in a jar.
It's not big enough. It's a mini banana.
No way.
Yeah.
Show closer.
Tiny little banana.
Baby banana.
We're gonna just stuff our faces and then we're heading home. We had an awesome day here and we tried out the public transportation. We got to see the Old Town Museum, try some of the local food and also go shopping. So it's been a monster of a day and we can't wait to get back and do it all again tomorrow. Thank you for nomading with us.